Hello kids, I welcome you all in one more cool episode of Cool Gurukul. Today is our art and craft session, and today we are going to make something really amazing, beautiful and easy craft. And that is a photo frame. So if you kids like to decorate your room, then you can make the walls of your room look beautiful by hanging some attractive photo frames. But if you buy the photo frames from the market, then it would be very expensive. Then what do? We would make our own photo frames with some easily available materials, or you can say some waste boxes and colors. So are you excited to learn how to make photo frames? Yes, even I am excited too. So let's see how to make it.
You can take any old cardboard or any hard paper. I have taken this cardboard and I will cut it into a rectangle shape. I am saving the rest of the cardboard for later use. Now we will cut the rectangular cardboard from inside like this. We will approximately cut it in the size of any photo which we have. See, now I have cut it from inside and it look like this. Now, because I folded the cardboard while cutting, it has got these folds, which we can fix it by applying some sellotape over it from both the sides. Now, a firm rectangular frame is ready. Then we have to take any available chart paper. I am taking this blue color. Now we will cut the chart paper according to the size of cardboard frame. We are keeping a big border so that we can cover the frame from all the visible sides. You can take help from elders while cutting the paper. Now the cutting is done. Now we will stick this chart paper to the cardboard frame with the help of glue in this way. I am sealing all the sides and this is also ready. And then come the decoration. We are taking some old leftover chart papers and we will cut this in the shape of any favorite animal or sun, moon, stars, anything. I am making this face of monkey. You have to make a very simple but colorful drawing, or you can even use stickers. If you don't want to draw, you can use stickers. See, I have put this googly eyes on the monkey and I am coloring the head. I have made so many colorful animals. Now I will stick these animals on the blue frame. Wow, that looks fantastic, isn't it? Now I will decorate it further by making some wavy borders in this way. From all the sides, I will make this border. Now it's time to add my picture. We will stick this picture directly on the frame and cover the back side with the leftover cardboard sheet. This way. Now the frame is finally ready. Amazing, isn't it?
Did you like the frame? I hope that you would have surely liked it. You can make many such frames by just changing the shape, the size, the color and the decoration material. How? Let me show you one more artwork.
I am using one old booklet which is of no use, and I will cut it in rectangle shape like this. I will make this frame wave shape from all the sides. So I have made this shape, and then I will be cutting it very carefully from all the borders. You can see the black border which I have made. I am cutting throughout that border. Whenever you are using scissors, you have to be very safe. Now it is done. Now we'll use yellow color chart paper. The first frame we made was of blue color, and this is yellow color. Now I will stick this paper from all the sides perfectly. With the help of glue, I will stick this chart paper. Now it is ready. Now I will stick some cutouts of animals. See, this is octopus, lion, butterfly, and this is a strawberry. Then I will put some flowers also and some stars. You can use anything to decorate. And then we'll put my favorite.
This is an amazing frame with an amazing message. That is, I love you, Mom. I will show you some more frames which I have made. This is a frame of a boy, and it is decorated with trees, mushrooms, sun and bird. And one more. This is a slogan again, and the slogan says, you are the hero of your own story. And this is decorated with grass, flowers and butterflies. And this is the one which we learned just now.
Nice and cool, isn't it? So just go and grab some old cardboards and your favorite colored chart papers and make some cool art with your favorite picture and enjoy being creative. So that was all about today's session in Cool Gurukul. We'll meet next time to have a lot more fun. Till then, keep watching Cool Gurukul and keep enjoying. Bye bye.